Most of the moves are 3 moves each. You could do more, like there's nothing saying that you can't do more. Just be a little careful if you're working one area too long, though, that you still move off a little bit or stop and just give it a little bit of what I call love and that. Now I'm going to just do 2 of those on them. Now we're going to do you can see how my thumbs are going in more. You can tell that that muscle is relaxing even more. Except for there. Can you feel that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Just breathe. All right. Yeah, see it's how easy and how you can almost see the muscle in front now just kind of giving way for me. You can tell there's some pressure because of the red. Okay. And then the forearm. Now most of the pressure is going to be here. The hand is just... And now he is breathing a little deeper, so you can tell then that like the pressure and all that is there. So, and which is good. They're supposed to be breathing. That's what you want them to do. The more they breathe, the more oxygen comes in. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to go into the elbow. Now make sure that you're just on the edge. If somebody was really, really tight, you might have to stop and start. Like let's pretend my hand was fighting here. Then maybe I'll start again and then just work it until the elbow will let it really go. Now it would have been fine. I could have just glided the whole way. But some people, where they really are tight, you might have to kind of start and then try to get more and then start and try to get more. All right. So then you would repeat everything that we just did now on the other side before we go to the shoulders and neck. All right, so once we're done both sides of the back, then we're just going to bring the sheets back up. And now we're going to be working the neck, shoulder area. And so in here, all right. So we're going to warm up the neck and shoulder area. So just warm this up. Now, Nick, I think what we're going to have to do is have you pop your face out of the headrest, and we're going to move it off, and then come right down a little bit more. No, sorry, move down, because I'm going to need you to turn the, yeah, there you go. Yeah, because we want to get into this side. Okay, is that still okay? Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna, again, 3-5 minutes, you're gonna warm that area up. Is your neck okay like that? Okay. Now we're going to do hands. So I'm going to use the table again too, but I'm going to use the hand. And we're just going to press into that area. Okay. And so now it's just a bit of pressure into here. Okay. Thumbs.
Just kind of going along the top of the trapezius.
Yeah, and then just following that one muscle, just up in here, just following this one muscle. Maybe can you just, there you go. Sorry. A little tight, is it? Okay, breathe. Echo glide. Circles. Forearm. And then you would do the other side.